I got the bright idea to get rid of my Pachysandra. Pachysandra is a Japanese native that was very popular in the 90s and probably earlier on. I've had one person in my garden group describe it as the linoleum or vinyl siding of gardening. When I moved in, we had these big circles that surrounded these Japanese maples. This is the other one behind me, big circle. But I decided that this is the year I'm getting rid of invasives and planting more natives. So I decided to tackle this. I'm covered in mud and I'm very tired. I tried to smother this stuff and the tops died. There's the tarp trying to smother some more. But the problem isn't the tops. The problem is the rhizome. So if you're not familiar, a rhizome is the root system that grows beneath certain things. Grass has a rhizome, mint has a rhizome. It's these roots here. If I leave these roots in the dirt, they will all grow new Pachysandra. If I chop them into little bits, they will all grow Pachysandra. I started out in maybe the most tedious way, which was pulling individual roots out of the dirt. That was not working. And then I looked up rolling Pachysandra, which sounded like a great idea. And I started it and it worked. This root system is mostly shallow, so it actually will just roll up like a piece of carpet. Here's a big roll that I did. And here's another roll. Slight problem. This is the heaviest shit I have ever dealt with because it has taken the top layer of dirt with it. And while I'm only slightly miffed that I'm losing some good dirt here because I can always replace it, the bigger problem is I cannot lift these rolls. And even if my husband was out here helping me, he and I could not lift these rolls. Which means I have to take this roll and chop it into sushi pieces and put each of these sushi pieces in a bag because you can't compost it because it'll grow more Pachysandra. Anyway, this is what I've done so far. Of the pie chart, I think I have like a quarter-ish. It's depressing. It's a lot of work. And I'm hoping to get it done before the end of August so I can plant some natives before it gets too cold. We're counting on Super El Nino here to keep it a little extra warm so things can take root. So this is our big experiment. I'll keep you posted on what happens.